Today I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can increase your conversions. You're going to have more opt-ins and more sales if you do exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Number 1, add proof of opt-ins and sales. Number 2, give points. When users take the action you want them to take, give them points for doing that and allow them to use the points to get a discount in your store. Number 3, add a sense of urgency, because without urgency, people don't take action. So add user level timer. Each user is going to get, their own timer, and the timer will start after they click the button. And these 3 will work together to bring you more sales and more leads than ever before. I'm doing this on my site and it's working for me. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it and how you can do the same. All right. So first thing you want to do is set up proof of leads and sales on your opt-in page, on your sales page. And what you have to do is show site-wide activity. So you don't have to limit yourself just to one thing. You can show everything that's happening throughout your site using this little pop-up notification that you're seeing here. And I'm doing this using my own plugin, Smart Sales Proof. This is a plugin we recently launched and it has been a game changer. It has been a game changer as far as conversions for me. I'm seeing new names on my list I never had before, and all of these people are seeing proof, and so my conversion rate, truly it has exploded now. You can use it to display site-wide activity. It doesn't matter if you're new to online business, you don't have much happening on your site, you just have a few people. Whoever is signing up for your list throughout your site for any of your offer, you can display it on any page. So you don't have to create too many of these things. You can create one simple campaign in Smart Sales Proof, configure it to display all the stuff that's happening on your site on the selected pages on your site. So whenever you're doing a new launch, enable it on that page. That's it. So other thing I'm doing is points. So what I do is I have integrated my membership plugin, Smart Creator Press, with GamiPress, which is an amazing gamification plugin. So I'm using the combination, these 2 plugins, to reward users with points for taking the action I want them to take. So if someone makes a purchase, they get purchase points. When someone signs up, they get sign up points. When someone leaves me a testimonial, they get review points. And when someone completes the lessons in my course, they get more points. And I make it clear that they can use these points to get a discount in my store. So I have a store set up using Smart Creator Press, and even if they just go to purchase to the checkout page, they will see all the points they have there, and they can use the points as discount to get a discount on any of my products and services. And so this will help you with engagement. This will help you with more sales, because people are going to want to use their points to get a discount. And the other thing I'm doing is a user level timer. So evergreen timer. So when someone goes to my site, their timer will start then, a cookie is set, and then they will have 20 minutes or 30 minutes to take action. And if they don't take action within that time, then they will not get the discount. So you can give them a huge discount, but you can set very limited time so that they act quickly. Makes a huge difference. So without urgency, people don't take action these days, but this one is amazing because this one is not just a launch special timer. I use user level timer, which means each user gets their own timer, and the timer for each user is going to start when they visit the sales page, right? So each person is going to get their own timer, so works beautifully. This is also something I have set up using SCP. So I'm quickly going to take you to the back end now to show you all 3 of these and how I have set this up. So first, let's take a look at Smart Sales Proof and how you can easily activate it on your site. So this one is a plugin for WordPress. You can install and activate it on your site, and then click on campaigns. And here you can set up 1 or more campaigns. You can set up as many campaigns as you want. So click on create a new campaign to set up a new one. Here I already have one, and I have activated this on most of my pages. So pretty much this one campaign does all of the heavy lifting for me. So you don't even have to create multiple campaigns. You can just create one, and just like what I have done here. So let me show you how this works. So this is a campaign I have set up. I'm going to edit it and show you my settings. So the way it works is you can set up a campaign. Under each campaign, you can activate 1 or more events. So different events it supports: sales, testimonials, signups, custom messages, visitor activity. I pretty much use it for sales and signups and testimonials right now, right? But it's up to you. If you want to activate it on a page where you just want to show a custom message, you can do that. Or activate it on a page where you just want to show testimonials, you can do that. Then the second step is campaign name. Give it a name, description. Doesn't matter what you call it. Internally use only. Next, pick a template. I would just say, pick any one of these templates. First template looks pretty good. All of these templates are awesome. Next step is campaign settings. This is where you can say, these are the pages where I want to activate this campaign. So select all the pages. So whenever I have a new course launch, product launch, I just select that page here, sales page of that course or product. That's it. That's all you have to do. Once you have done it, pretty much that's all you have to do, and then you can activate it on whatever page you want. Here you can also set up your notification display schedule. If you want to activate the notification between specific dates, you can do that. Next step is events. So here you can configure the data sources. Where is it going to get its information from? So in my case, I have integrated it with Smart Creator Press, which is our membership plugin. It also integrates with all of these different platforms. You can also manually add users, to SSP, and it's going to use that for real-time display. You can add all these, you can import using CSV, and it's going to use that. All right, so here I have integrated it with SCP. That makes it really easy because, let me edit this. You can see I have said anything that happens, any of these courses, display it in the front end. So here you can see one of these courses. I have both free and paid lessons in the same course. And so what I can do here, and only SSP supports this, I have configured this 3 easy ways to make money online course right here. And this is for the sales one, right? The sales notification will show any purchases made, any sales of that course here. And you can configure 1 or more products, right? Same data source and multiple products. The same course, which has both free and paid lessons, I have also configured it in the sign up tab. That's because I want to display everyone who is signing up for the free lessons and just the free lessons also as part of my display. So if they're just signing up for free lessons, SSP will use that. And if they are signing up for paid lessons, it will display that as well under sale notification. So you can configure it. You can also configure your quizzes and use that. So it's going to show site-wide activity. Anything that's happening on your site, you can display it on any page you want, because cold traffic, visitors that go to your site, all they want to know is that you're a real person and that they can trust you. And all of these are trust building elements. So all of this is going to help you. You can also configure testimonials, add testimonials, and configure it to display all the testimonials you add in the testimonials page will show on this available testimonial site, and you can drag and drop it here and it will automatically show it. You can add custom messages. Also, if you have special news and announcement, you can add that, and visitor activity if you want to display that. All of this is easily configurable, and then that's it, you're done. All right, so these are the pages where it's active. It's also going to give you an embed code if you want to publish it on a different site where you don't even have SSP. You can do that too. This is the message it's going to show. It's going to automatically replace the customer name with the person's name. Just purchase this course. Notification image settings. You can use the default option, which is the smart option. It's going to show the images like this. So first it's going to try and show the Google map if it's available, then initials, first and last name in this order, right? So Google Maps is what I would highly recommend. You'll have to sign up for Google Maps account, and we have documentation on how you can do the integration. I highly recommend you do this because this is far more believable than just showing the initials of a person. So definitely highly recommend this. So whenever you're doing a new launch, there are only 2 things you need to do. One is edit your campaign, existing campaign, edit the campaign settings, and add your new sales page to the list, right? In the campaign settings, add your new sales page. Go to the events tab and the data sources. Make sure that you select the new course or product you're launching. So it will show the proof of sales and opt-ins of that. That's it. So select sales and opt-ins and select the right course or product, the new course or product you're launching. This is it. This is all you have to do. Once you have set up your campaign, this is all you have to do going forward. So now let me show you how you can easily reward members with points for taking the action you want them to take. So I use GamiPress, which is a free gamification plugin, and I have integrated it with my membership and course plugin, Smart Creator Press. So in GamiPress, you can create points type. You can see I have created different points type, learning points, community points. So in the learning points, what I have done is I have selected different actions for which I'm giving points, right? So you can click on add a new point award. I already have several, but let's say you're adding a new one. Then you can search for, if you use Smart Creator Press, search for Smart Creator Press. And here you can say when they complete the course, when they complete the lesson. So you can give points for completing the lesson, and then you have to select the course. So here I have said this is the course. So when they complete a lesson in this course, they are going to get points. You can say how many points. You can say earn 5 points, for example. This is how easy it is to set this up. That's it. All right. You can go ahead and save it. And when they complete the lesson in your course, they're going to automatically get 5 points. And you can do different activities. You can see course complete, lesson complete, purchase points, recurring points. free registration points. And if you use our community plugin, there is a whole bunch of other things you can do for community actions, and you can give them points. So you can create different point buckets and give them points for different actions. So I have created different buckets here. You can create as many buckets as you want by clicking on add new points type, and under each bucket add the right set of activities for which you want to give them points. So store credits, for example, let me click on that. You can see I'm giving points that they can use in my store if they purchase specific products. If they purchase this product, how to write persuasive headline, they get points. Product launch made easy, they get 10 points. So you can decide what are the different points you want to allow them as purchase points, as store credits. So they can use these points on the checkout. So all points are not created equal. So if they're getting community points for liking someone's post, maybe you don't want to allow them to use that towards purchase. But if they get points by purchasing something, then they get extra points. Now they can use that to get a discount on the next product they want to buy. You want to reward your paying members by giving them more points they can use for the next time they want to buy something from you. All right, so that you can set up in GamiPress. Next thing you're going to do is an SCP settings page. Here you can allow them to redeem points on your checkout page. Set up your conversion rules. So if they have 20 points, it means $1. That's my setting. And you can specify what are the different point types from GamiPress do you want to allow them to use on your checkout page. In my case, only store credits type of points. Community points and other points I don't allow, but only this type of points. So you can add specific actions to this type of points in GamiPress, this point type. And also this one where it says points and credits notifications. This is the one where you can send them an automated email. If they have accumulated, for example, 10 points, you can send them an automated email that says, congrats, you have 10 points waiting in your account, which means you will get a discount in our store. And you can send them this notification once every 30 days. If they have points balance, they will get the email. All right, so this is how this works. Super easy to set up. You can also set up points expiration, and that will help you add a sense of urgency and say your points will expire in X days. So take advantage of it or you will lose the point. If you don't use the points, you will lose the points. So next and final thing I want to show you is how you can add a user level timer. This is something you can do in our Smart Creator Press plugin. So say that this is the course that you are launching and you want to add a sense of urgency. Then you can go to the payment funnel tab of your course or your product, and you can enable special offer settings right here. And you can say who should get the special offer. You can set up your countdown timer settings, how long it is valid for, how much discount you want to give them, limited time offer. They're going to see this message if you add this to your checkout on your sales page, and it's going to allow you to customize the timer. It's going to give you a short code. You can publish the short code on your sales page, and it's going to show the limited offer section, the timer and everything, the countdown timer. You can add this to your sales page. This is the checkout page. If you directly send them to the checkout page, they're going to see this limited time offer. There's a 50% discount. So it will, see here, it says special offer, and they got 50% discount on this. And you can also add order bump and easily increase your average order value by doing this. That's it. All right. This is as simple as this. This is a user level timer. So if someone else clicks on this link, they will get their own 6-day timer, right? So each user gets their own 6-day timer. The timer starts the first time they visit your sales page where you have activated it or your checkout page. This is how easy it is to activate it, and you will start seeing more conversions, more sales, because people are not going to want to miss out on such a great discount. So if you have courses and products where you're really struggling to sell it, then this is definitely going to help. You will definitely see a huge jump in the numbers. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments your thoughts. I look forward to your feedback. I'll be back soon with more. Thanks for watching.